touching and being touched emotionally. Why is this so important for highly sensitive people with their great emotional strength and deep emotionality? And what does this movement contribute to this? I'll show you a sequence of 3 steps that will help you develop a new way of listening. You encounter more in what touches you, and at the same time feel more yourself. The first step is to feel with your body into the surroundings. Feel far out with lots of air, in slight arcs, in all directions. Can you create in your fingers, but also in your heart, a feeling of what is coming towards me? What comes my way? How far does it come from? The second step is to feel into what you encounter. Can you do this, for example, in such a way that from a certain distance you mindfully approach your heart and gently touch it between your hands, carry it, feel it. Let go again and feel again. What comes my way? Dear heart, how are you doing? Or by putting your hand on your friend's shoulder. What comes your way? Can you feel it? Or when you shake someone's hands with mindfulness, what comes your way? The third is, can you also let yourself be touched by yourself? So, go out of yourself a bit and then come back to yourself completely relaxed, as if you were holding yourself in your hand. How does that work? And what comes your way now? A little out into the air. Mindfully come towards yourself. What comes towards me? When I hold myself in my hand. Completely relaxed. If you do this regularly and calmly, go out a little, and what comes to me? feel into it. What comes my way? Feel yourself. Then your capacity for deep compassion will change. You will no longer lose yourself so easily, but you will learn to feel yourself and your own needs better and better. High sensitivity makes it possible.